The list of top 10 best Android games of 2020 that you can play on your smartphone, online and offline. On number 10, we have Grid Autosport. It is a big racing game in every sense that offers up to 100 circuits and 100 different types of cars. It's a bit large for mobile game as well because you need about 6 GB of free internal storage to get around the app size limitation for iOS devices. The game needs a special IAP. Beginners could immediately opt for quick race to understand the control and game mechanics. Visually, the game appears quite spectacular, and even on the fastest smartphone, there could be a little glitch. If you consider yourself as a pro in mobile racing games, then you could set higher difficult levels. On number 9, we have Harry Potter Wizards Unite. It is certainly the best Harry Potter game out there. If you are a fan, you will be in a treat, and if not, it's a damn good excuse to get off your chair and explore your city and have some fun. Just give it some time. Wizards Unite grows on you and sucks you in the whirlwind hex. On number 8, we have the Elder Scroll Blades. If you are a fan of Elder Scroll franchise, dragons and goblins, then you need to check out this game. It's free, you have literally nothing to lose, and the first half hours are genuinely a blast. Whether you stick with it, and after the first dozen levels is where things get a little more nuanced. On number 7, we have Durango Wildlands. If you want a game that will keep you busy for a while, Wildlands absolutely has your back. It aren't just an eye candy, they have a major impact on how you play. No matter which part of game you explore, Ubisoft in-game version of South America country Bolivia looks great. You can roam around in an entire map which consists of jungles, wildlands, mountains, lakes, quarries, etc. On number 6, we have Grim Valor. Grim Valor is a great Metroidvania action RPG packed with a great atmosphere and an intriguing level design game, but also has a terrific combat system and many different enemies and boss to fight with. And on number 5, we have Call of Duty. The Call of Duty Mobile Battle Royale mode is way better than PUBG Mobile. The vehicles are more scenic appropriate and the terrain is more realistic than blotchy grass or ice sheet you see in PUBG Mobile. Maps like Erangel and Vikendi. Call of Duty is a faithful port of franchise core gameplay to the smartphone. Earlier it was already available for PC, but now you can play it in your Android and iOS device. On number 4, we have Mario Kart Tour. It is a simpler, more accessible, free-to-play version of Mario Kart Racing, made for iOS and Android, and it works much better than I thought it would. In Mario Kart Tour, you can play as one of your trademark characters from the Mario series as they head out for a dangerous afternoon go-karting. And on number 3, we have NBA 2020. Not only is the game itself is incredibly good, but the mobile port has done extremely well. I looked through a lot of games writing for Android Central, but this is the one I enjoyed more than anything. Even at the lowest graphic settings, NBA 2K20 on Android is a good looking game at max settings. Presentation is downright gorgeous. Players' faces emerge into code beautifully modeled and in most cases bear a strong resemblance to the real world counterparts. And on number 2, we have the Cyber Hunter. The Cyber Hunter is a sci-fi game and has a variety of beautiful vehicles and guns which shoot laser to plasma. The terrain and map are also very beautiful. The game is very different to PUBG. It has cartoonish graphic sci-fi elements and the physics is very different to that of which PUBG has. And on number 1, we have PUBG, the most popular game. The PUBG Mobile offers plenty to the mobile gamer with all high and low of online play, plenty and realism and good performance across a range of devices. PlayerUnknown Battleground or PUBG is better known started life on the PC before drifting sideways to console and mobile devices. It has further features of designing your character of your own clothes and further. It is a real life multiplayer shooting game. Please do like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. The T10 Portal.